Widely celebrated as the iconic village suspended on the cliffs, Chenjiapu stands as a magnificent testament to ancient Chinese mountain settlement, engineering, and architectural survival. Perched dramatically over 800 meters above sea level, this historic settlement captivates the mind by blending traditional rural life with sophisticated, modern cultural revivals. For centuries, its unique vertical layout has resisted the elements, offering an enduring symbol of human adaptability within the rugged, mountainous terrain of eastern China. This secluded mountain sanctuary gracefully preserves its historical integrity while simultaneously breathing new life into the contemporary global architectural discourse. Today, its misty paths invite global travelers to witness a striking harmony between raw wilderness and profound cultural heritage. Prepare to explore an extraordinary cliffside world where ancient mud walls silently echo stories of survival, ingenuity, and modern artistic transformation. Nestled deep within the mist-shrouded valleys of Songyang County, under the municipal administration of Lishui, Chenjiapu occupies a spectacular position in southern Zhejiang Province. The village features a dramatic, amphitheater-like layout, with historic dwellings constructed stepwise along a steep mountain slope exceeding 40 degrees. Exploring this vertical settlement reveals ancient stone pathways, well-preserved public squares, and historic residences showcasing traditional rammed earth walls and distinct grey-tiled roofs. These iconic mud brick structures seamlessly integrate with the natural geological contours, creating an organic architecture that minimizes environmental disruption. Visitors can observe narrow mountain trails, historic wells, and beautifully crafted stone bridges that cross rushing high-altitude streams. The entire village opens up to breathtaking panoramic vistas of deep forested gorges, lush bamboo groves, and rolling terraced landscapes below. The resilient community of Chenjiapu predominantly comprises generations of Han Chinese families who have meticulously guarded their traditional mountainous lifestyle and customs. Daily life here revolves around ancient agricultural cycles, deeply rooted in profound respect for the natural environment and ancestral traditions. The village preserves invaluable, intangible cultural heritage, including traditional wood carving, classical fabric dyeing, and the meticulous preparation of organic mountain tea. During historic seasonal festivals, residents gather to perform ancient rituals, sharing authentic local delicacies such as handcrafted sweet potato pastries and mountain herbs. Their unique spiritual beliefs are mirrored in small ancestral shrines where locals pray for favorable weather conditions and harmonious community relations. This close-knit community successfully keeps ancient social structures alive, offering an authentic glimpse into centuries-old Jiangnan mountain civilization. The most extraordinary feature of Chenjiapu is its brilliant transformation from a fading, remote settlement into a globally recognized sanctuary for contemporary literature. At the heart of this ancient village lies the renowned Library Avant-Garde, masterfully built within a restored, historic cliffside, rammed earth structure. This striking architectural marvel effortlessly combines ancient mud walls with sleek, modern glass windows that look out into the vast, open abyss. It holds a unique record as one of the highest and most geographically isolated bookstores in the entire nation, drawing widespread cultural acclaim. This unprecedented fusion of traditional rural architecture and high-end modern literature has turned the village into a prominent symbol of rural revitalization. It proves that deep historical structures can become vibrant centers of modern intellectual discourse without losing their authentic, ancient identity. Today, Chenjiapu serves as a premier international model for sustainable tourism, balancing strict architectural preservation with modern ecological development. The ideal time to visit is during autumn, when clear skies reveal spectacular, otherworldly views of rolling seas of clouds engulfing the village. Photographers and travelers flock to the elevated viewing decks to capture the magical contrast of golden mud walls against deep green mountains. By offering low-impact eco-tourism and authentic cultural workshops, the village empowers local residents while safeguarding its fragile mountain ecosystem. It remains an irresistible destination, reminding modern society of the timeless beauty found within slow, well-preserved, traditional lifestyles. If you wish to discover more hidden cultural gems and breathtaking landscapes across China, please subscribe to our channel today. Thank you for exploring this magnificent cliffside marvel of history, architecture, and innovation with us.